Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a Pinterest pin on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below and then click on social media. After that you should scroll down till you find the Pinterest pins section. Tap on see all, and after that you should choose from these templates. Click on the relevant one, and after that, once it is loaded, you should zoom in and start customizing your Pinterest pin. So if you want to change the picture, tap on the picture, click on the replace button, and you will be able to either take a picture with your phone or select one from your gallery, and then you can replace the default picture. And you can also edit the text by deleting it. Type in your own text if you want to. You can also change the font size, the color of it, the format, spacing. You can add effects and animations. If you want to add an additional page, you should click on the plus icon and feel free to add as many as you want to. If you tap on it, you can change the background color of it. You can change the duration and the timing. You can add your own elements to it, such as graphics, tables, frames, arrow lines, stickers, and so on, pictures, and basically anything in the from this category. So if you are done, tap on this download button at the top of the screen, and you will be able to save your image and then upload it to the social networking site. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.